This is an Olympiad-level exponential equation, and now we're gonna solve it. We have 2 to the power of x equals x to the power of 4. The first step is to raise both sides of the equation to the same power, namely to the power of 1 over 4x. And then let's see what happens. We get 2 to the power of x over 4x. This x here is this one, because it has to go there. And on the right hand side, we have x to the power of 4 over 4x. Now we can cancel some things out, for example, these two x's and these two 4's. We thus obtain 2 to the power of 1 over 4 equals x to the power of 1 over x. The idea is to get the left-hand side to match the right-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have x to the power of 1 over x. Here, unfortunately, we have 2 to the power of 1 over 4. See, here we have two x's and here we have 2 and 4. If only there were a way to make these coefficients match. And indeed, there is. We notice that 2 to the power of 4 is 16, and also 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 over 4 is 1. Therefore, if we write 4 over 4 here, we don't change anything, but we have our 2 to the power of 4 now, which is 16, and we have 1 over 4 times 4, which is 16 again. Let's write it down. We have 2 to the power of 4, and this whole thing is to the power of 1 over 4 times 4. And on the right-hand side, we still have our x to the power of 1 over x. Nothing changes there. Now we have 2 to the power of 4, which is 16, and 1 over 4 times 4 is 1 over 16. And the right-hand side remains unchanged. And now you see that we have something to the power of 1 over the same thing equals x to the power of 1 over x. Therefore, x equals 16.